Oh, hello.
If you break it over your head. I'm not as stupid as everyone thinks. I have expensive taste. Set the motherfucker on fire. Did you pay the insurance?
Wow.
Can't believe why Oprah's sitting in my living room. He's my beast.
Damn. Wow. Wow. You like a little fat penguin? Holy crap. My goodness me. Show me to the table, please.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Seafood pasta. Continental cuisine. Wow.
Where are you from in Greece?
I'm from,
Wow. Yeah. Disgusting. Wow. Wow. Ghastly.
I cook better than this.
yeah.
Fucking hell, what's in here? Oh, dear. Oh, God. Cooked raw chicken. What's that? Scummy fucks. Explain that.
Why didn't you check this, dude? Clean.
Just smell that for me. Look at that. I mean, honestly. Wow. Rapidly.
I'm gonna puke. What if I puke on the table?
Oh, come on.
Awesome.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
It's fine. You,
Chef.
I'm telling you. 14. Wow. Right now, I've got a plan. Get the fuck out of here.
And he's off like a ship in the night.
Wow. 80 grand on a bathroom. Holy crap.